Alright, so this video, let's take a look at finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, and we're going to use a shortcut to do it. Alright, so for the determinant, that's going to give us the determinant of A, and this is how we represent the determinant. Alright, so that's going to be 0, 2, 1, 3, -1, 2, 4, 0, 1. Okay, so all I did is I just rewrote the matrix. That's all I did. I wrote it as the determinant and copied the numbers down. Alright, so to find the determinant, what we do is we take the first two columns and we write them over here. And try to do it neat so you can keep all this lined up. And you'll see why in a little bit. 2, -1, 0. Okay, so I copy the first two columns over here. And then what we do is we go across the top here, these first three, and we draw diagonals going down. Okay, just like that. Alright, so this is going to equal, and what we do is we multiply the diagonals. And whatever I get when I multiply this, I do that number plus whatever I get when I multiply this plus whatever I get when I multiply this. So all the diagonals that you multiply going down, you add those results together. So I'm going to write everything out for you. So this is going to be 0 times -1 times 1. So I multiplied those three together. And then plus, and then I'm going to multiply these three, the 2, the 2, and the 4. So that's 2 times 2 times 4. And then I'm going to do plus, and then whatever I get when I multiply these three, the 1, the 3, and the 0. So that's 1 times 3 times 0. Alright, so that takes care of that one. Alright, so now, let me write that 0 back. Alright, so now let's look at the rest of it. So now, see, first I went across the top and I drew my diagonals going down. Now we're going to go across the bottom, but we're going to draw our diagonals going up. Okay? And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to multiply these three, then I'm going to multiply these three, and then I'm going to multiply these three. The difference is these results I'm going to subtract. Okay, so let's multiply these. So, and remember, we're subtracting them. So that's going to be 4 times -1 times 1 minus, and then I'm going to multiply these. That's going to be 0 times 2 times 0. And then I'm going to subtract, and then I'm going to multiply these three, the 1, the 3, and the 2. So that's 1 times 3 times 2. Alright, and now it's just arithmetic. Let's see what we get. So when I multiply this, we get 0 plus, and then 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 times 3 times 0 is 0. And then this is a -4 times a -1. Well, that's going to be +4. So 4 times 1 is +4, so +4. And then 0 times 2 times 0, that's -0. And then minus the 1 times 3 times 2, that's 6. Okay. And so that's going to be what? 20 minus 6 is 14. And there's your determinant of your 3 by 3. Also have a video of a 2 by 2. You can check that out. But give me a like, share, and subscribe. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.